yabona le style ningibeke kuso bafowethu siyangishisa bafowethu angikhoni bafowethu ngicela ukuthi nje angathi bafowethu ngene lenza ngithola
ngiyakuthola njalo
ngoba ngiyafuna ukuhleka but uyabona ngiguest bafowethu angingaphawa bafowethu yeah but angingaphawa bafowethu
ngikhaza ukuthi it's free
free
yeah it's free
all right yeah manje sekukhulekile bafowethu ngokuthi nikhulule bafowethu yeah
sina into le ngasijabulisa ukuthi usitshele yona ukuthi uphila njani nalabantu bangaboni since wena ubona bakuphethe njani into etso
yebo
mfowethu ngicale nga-day 1 mfowethu yabo day 1 bengicala ngifonele mabhosi alakhaya ukuthi ngitonibona and then there is some i-plan yethu wesiphile ukuthi social documentary yabo so mina bengitshela ukuthi mangifika lana ngizothola i-office and then na-2 tindlunyana yangithola so bengacabanga ukuthi kuyinto lengaka so and mangifika la mphathi bena ngekho kuna uMathembi
yeah
like ngisemangena kwaphela yonke le idea lebengayo
amangala siyabona labantu bahamba
ngemakane like even lenza wengithola like mangikhamba ngavela mangena egedeni washabalela yonke into and mangena ngaba senginima incumbi ema plan uyabo lokho ukuthi lo one day lo ngicabanga yo
yakunike expansion
I think mfowethu so nginani like uma ngicabanga uyabo so ngathi mangifika ngemakethi but no bangitshela uStofile Shaspan mfowethu Shaspan mfowethu sengamtshela makethi no angekulunga because ngite one day mina mangifika lana le ngqondo ikhulile yangithola yeah
alright isimdeni manje as he speaks is part of family
yes
guys
so ala kukhuluma naye mangamtshela no ngiyarap cela singibile ekhaya ngicabanga kahle futhi but no you are welcome mfowethu amulcabanga kahle ekhaya and then siyasibonela ukuthi okay wona cabanga njani ngaba okay ngathi usifoni kungwezi ngathi mina no ngicabanga so
ngiyakuva mina
ngibuye umuntu onibona and ngishare nabo ngibabona kahle sibaphila impilo njani so ngasiba ngibuya on Friday is it's Thursday I think so ngibona Wednesday Thursday ngaba sengibuya and then kubuye kwami bengicela ukuthi ngihlale nani yabo mfowethu but ngibe nokuthuka kancane because buna bhuti umani ngambelelo day
ubheki BK
like
is one of our disabled people here guys is one of our beneficiaries iqiniso leyo vele
so ngisema ngihleli lapha bheka ukuke isofa and then nikni out there one libonayo yabo bheka kaboni and nguye lo control yonke le ndlela yangithola and then ubheka wa control na even le sofa ukuthi okay ngene so mfowethu ngihlele lapha hayi
anohlele lapha
wow endizongibona langena mfowethu
suke kabi
and then like maselibekile nje mobeka la so eceleke umuntu yabo futhi etinza yokuphuma athi wow
enevela ayenza le vele yaphuma
ndoda so then like yaphile noma like ngihlala nabantu ngibona ukuthi okay right phile kanjani
and I think I get your point apparently you came into realization ukuthi okay kahle it's all about mind
in
mindset you know stereotype is something else guys you know and lento le yakufundisa ukuthi inclusivity what's inclusive that's why bazokutshela ukuthi there's a inclusive education of course guys and then I appreciate your presence my guy because a lot of people ababukeli emakhaya they don't understand between mainstream and the disabled people you know institutions ukuthi how can a blind person go to school or learn this is where it starts very and I can't blame you ukuthi vele you were surprised you will remember ukuthi abanye bantu they became blind at a you know at a early stage abanye they were born like that so imagine if you become blind and then you are old so it means you will start you know from the bottom you wouldn't understand ukuthi kahle lana khambani like yabona nami fethu like as I was born partially sighted mara vele skela mina vele ngaqala emakhaya yabona then when I went to special school I used to be surprised every time I was always surprised ukuthi how does this thing happen you know in fact you can't believe my first year in fact I was sharing my roommates, all of them, they were blind people. And I learned from that. Because you remind me, you know, when you're sharing experience yakho ukuthi vele vele uyabona ukuthi uBK vele uphethe isofa vele and vele uyaxoxa yena ukuthi hayi lento mele ihambe so.
Yes.
And he can't see anything. It's load shedding, you know.